If your regular Wi-Fi is down or carried your Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max somewhere without internet, let's see how to quickly connect it to your mobile phone hotspot and get back online in minutes. First, to turn on your hotspot on your smartphone, make sure your iPhone or Android, like whatever you're using, has mobile data enabled and you got, enough balance to share internet with your TV. Now, on your phone, open settings and simply search for hotspot or mobile hotspot. Just go into the mobile hotspot section and first turn it on. You'll see your hotspot name along with the password. Now go back to TV, open settings, then head over to network. You'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks nearby. Your mobile hotspot's name should appear here. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Go to See All Networks, and it should show up in there, especially if this is your first time connecting. Sometimes it happens. Select your hotspot's name, and then enter the password shown on your phone. And that's it. Your TV will connect to your mobile hotspot. Now you can carry it anywhere and stream using your mobile internet. Thanks for your time.